Most new gardeners fail in their first or second year, and it's usually because of one or all of these 5 mistakes. I've been doing this a long time, and I have made every one of these mistakes I'm about to talk about, and I have learned some seriously hard lessons over the years. So whether you're planting your first tomato, or you're just tired of fighting with your garden every year, this is what you need to know. Number 1, folks, start with a garden that is way too big. You went to Home Depot, your local agricultural dealer, whatever, and bought this big tiller, and when your wife wasn't looking, you tilled up half the yard. You went out and bought dozens of seed packets, and before you knew it, you are buried alive. Start small. Choose 3 or 4 vegetables that you actually like to eat. For us, it was tomatoes, beans, pumpkins, and corn. Look, learn small, but win big. Mistake number 2, ignoring the soil. If you plant in poor soil, you're going to get poor results, period. We use compost, potting mix when starting seeds, and out in the rows, we work in that compost. And we work in our triple 10, triple 13, triple 15, 38-0, whatever you need. Look, you don't need anything fancy, just feed the soil. Mistake number 3, planting at the wrong time. Look, your seed catalogs come in right after Christmas. You go out and you buy all these seeds, they're gonna do wonderful things. You put them in a little bit early. Then you get a late frost and it wipes you out. Here in West Tennessee, we usually don't put any warm weather stuff out until mid to late April, and sometimes later than that. So check your frost dates and don't rush it. There'll be time. Mistake number 4, poor plant spacing. Crowded plants compete for sunlight, air, and nutrients. And look, disease loves all that. So to keep our rows straight, we use kite string and our dibble wheel to make sure things are always consistent. Look, weeding and harvesting are so much easier when your plants are spaced properly. Number 5, waiting too long when the pests show up. Don't wait until your cucumbers or your beans look like Swiss cheese. Catch the bugs early. Use row covers. Do companion planting. Keep an eye out every day. Sometimes it's overnight and they will wipe you out. Around here, we don't give bugs a second chance. So there you go. 5 simple mistakes that can wreck your garden even before it gets started. Been there, done that. And I want your garden to do better than mine did when I first started out. If this video helped you out, please hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already. And drop a comment on what mistake you've made and learned the hard way. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you down at the barn.